That's how he's fighting in his kung fu. And then he goes. No? Okay. The best move is, when they're dodging bullets. That's awesome. Because he goes. Ow!
A little too much there?
A little too much. A little too much matrixing right there. Okay, I'm done. I'm finished. What are you doing?
Who is this? Who is this?
You were just down here. What do you want now?
She heard you doing the Matrix.
You heard me doing the Matrix. Did you want to do the Matrix with me?
I don't know how to do the Matrix.
Well, all you gotta do is just... This paper? No paper. Okay, we're done here. Oh, I'm gonna fall over for real. Oh my goodness. Quick, go. Can you stop already?